Effects of drugs and alcohol to seafarers in relation to sexually transmitted diseases or infections, and discuss how it can be prevented. Alcohol and drug can use can be harmful to your health and get out of hand for some people. Modest use of alcohol can help your heart health in some circumstances, but it can also lead to long-term effects that are harmful and reduce your ability to fight off HIV. Different drugs have different effects on the body, and they can affect your judgment, mental health, and physical health differently. The use the use of illegal drugs present multiple risks to the health of people living with HIV, including harmful effects on the body and the risk associated with injection drug use and risk associated with sexual transmission of HIV. Physical effects. Drinking too much can damage your brain, liver, and immune system. Chronic drinkers with HIV may be at greater risk for disease progression than those who drink very little or not at all. Methamphetamines can lead to brain, liver, and kidney damage, impaired blood circulation, significant weight loss, and tooth decay. Drugs like cocaine and heroin can seriously damage your respiratory and circulatory system. Methamphetamines and cocaine can negatively affect your immune system, making it easier for your body to get an infection. Some substances interfere with HIV medicine that are part of an overall treatment plan. What are the risks of using alcohol and other drugs for an individual? Use of these drugs may cause blackouts, poisoning, overdose, and death. Physical and psychological dependence, damage to vital organs such as the brain, heart, and the liver, inability to learn and remember information, and psychological problems including depression, psychosis, and severe anxiety. What happens when you consume alcohol and drugs? Mixing alcohol with certain medication can use nausea and vomiting, headache, drowsiness, fainting, or loss of coordination. It also can put you at risk for internal bleeding, heart problems, and difficulties in breathing. How do alcohol and other drugs increase the risk of injury? Substance use can affect your judgment, vision, and coordination. In fact, parts of the brain responsible for these functions are among the first negatively impacted by alcohol and other drug use. Because of this, people who use the substances are more likely to get hurt than people who don't.